You know, when you see a big show truck, one of the first things you see, especially if it's behind you, is the show blade. Take a look at this. Something Rolling Big Power has put together that nobody else is even coming close to touching. The ultimate finish to the front end of your truck. Simple, too. Take a look. If you've got a big truck, the first thing you're going to see, especially if you're in a little sports car in front of the big truck, you're going to see that show series blade. It's got to look good.
Yep.
And, you know, with the connection you guys have with clients and customers and of course, having your trucks at all the shows and all the big meets, this is something that everybody's picked up on, is the blade.
Yep.
This is Kelly, by the way, our Vice President and General Manager of Rolling Big Power.
Yep.
And I like hanging out with you because she knows how everything came together. She's not only, you know, the VP and GM, but you're an engineer.
I am.
And master certified ASE mechanic.
Yep.
So you kind of know the story behind the story. And the cool thing is, I mean, of course, it comes in two different sizes. You can have a 38 or a 42. 38 would be something for this, right?
Yep, absolutely. So this is our JK grill.
Right.
So one of the things that we love doing at RBP is we actually listen to our customers, right, and our consumers. So the number one thing is that people are very afraid to cut into their grills. They don't want to mess with it. So one of the things that we developed was our NDX grill. This is an example of one. It's for the JK. Basically, NDX stands for no drill, no cut. And this is a version of that. This is one for the heavy duty behind me. And then the other thing that they said was that, you know, after a couple of years, they kind of want to give it a facelift, right?
Right.
Change the look of the truck. And the best way to do that is with one of our show series blades. You can literally change the entire look of the truck just by swapping one of these out without having to buy a brand new grill.
And it just bolts right through here.
It does. And it comes with studs that literally bolt right through the mesh. Super easy.
No cutting.
Yes.
That's the thing I love about this.
Yep.
And if you happen to live like where I'm from, Cape Cod, you know, in the winter, you don't get as much snow, but you get a lot of crud coming up at your truck in the winter, rocks and things like that and debris. Or if you just happen to be, you know, driving hard all the time off road, I would think at some point, anything's gonna chip. So if you have one of the cool show blades and it has a little chip or something like that, you guys can handle that back at home base to get it fixed, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So our grill blades are made here, right, CNC'd from aluminum. So they do come with a 1-year finish warranty.
Right.
But the best thing about it is we can do unlimited custom options. We can do custom paint, we can do hydro dipping, we can do true copper, like you see behind here. Basically, options are endless.
Make sure you show off how cool looking your truck is with a show blade from Rolling Big Power. Go to the website right now, rollingbigpower.com, and find the application that's perfect for you. And if you're getting multiple things, if you're shopping, make sure you check to see if you qualify for a swag pack. Swag pack this year is really amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, I love our swag packs. They include a couple stainless steel badges, some lanyards, decals, small accessories, get a hat, of course, and either a Tervis tumbler or a Yeti tumbler. And then you also include a registration card, so you can send us your color and apparel size, so we can send you a t-shirt or a hoodie.
That's why everybody's talking about it, the swag pack. Make sure you qualify for it today. Go to rollingbigpower.com.